Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 82. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so our 6 is here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 3, and no help here. 2, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 4, 5, and 7 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 5, 7. 5 and 7 here, so this is our 4. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 6, same here, 3, 6. That means that our 2 has to be here. And we can get rid of this 2. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 2, 3, 7. That 3 makes this our 9, 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 6, 3. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 1, 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row now, we're missing a 2. And for this row, we're missing a 6. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. But no other help, so 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got the 4 here, so 7, 4. And we can just plug into these. So if this is our 1, that makes this our 5, 1, and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.